Hi, good morning, Magnesa. This is your captain. I welcome you all for YT with Captain. So it's a wonderful, awesome day, and today is a precious day for me because today is Teachers' Day. Today is Teachers' Day. I'm here today because of the teachers. Yes, my teachers tune me like anything. My teachers, like my gurus, my mentors, my father, especially my parents, my father and mother, my brothers and sisters, and the great legend, Mr. Sijit Nair sir. Every day, I'm a student and I'm learning every day from top leaders, top diamonds, and from everyone. So today is a precious day for me. So wish you all a happy Teachers' Day, Magnesa Teachers' Day. So we are into teaching profession and learning profession. And another special day for me. Today is my second son's birthday, Fardeen Khan birthday. See, why I specifically talking about the day is in 2001 he was born. I joined in network marketing in 2001, and when my wife was admitted in hospital, that was this day today, and honestly saying, I didn't have money. I have totally zero, and I borrowed 1 lakh rupee, and I paid to the hospital. That time itself, almost 70,000 plus. It was a cesarean, and after that, on 8th, this is 5th of September. On 8th of September, I went to Malaysia, the first flight in my life, and from there, everything changed. My life has been changed after attending a big training of my mentors. So today is really a auspicious and precious day for me. Wish you all the best. Today is Teachers' Day. Good luck, good luck, good luck. So today I'm going to talk about 10 C's for success in network marketing. 10 C's, ABC, C's in success in network marketing. Very important. No, we are in the field. Our profession is network marketing profession. So we want to be successful. Adopt this 10 C's. This is one full day subject training, 10 C's. But I want to compress and deliver it in short. So are you all ready with me? Great. The first C is change. Yes, change. Very important for your success. Adopt the change. Yes, you have to change. Otherwise, there is no success. You have to alter yourself. You have to upgrade yourself. You have to open your mind and heart to learn. You should not be stubborn. You have to change each and every. I have changed. I have changed. See, uh, one incident I have to tell you. Now, because of the change, we are now. I'm connecting early morning 7 a.m. with so many leaders through Zoom. Honestly, I don't know what is Zoom at all. I learned this Zoom application, how to download, how to open everything. I learned from a great leader, Baiju Matthew. He taught me. See, if I maintain my posture and I am chairman, how can I ask my distributor and all? If you think like that, you cannot change. You have to surrender yourself for your change. So thank you, Baiju. Today I'm sitting in front of so many leaders because you educated me how to download Zoom, how to open, how to share everything. He educated me. Thank you so much, Baiju. And get prepared for the change. Okay, there is nothing in between. If you want to learn, if you want to adopt change, You have to surrender to whoever is, maybe your son. My son are educating me every day. Surrender. Then only you can adopt the change. You have to wait and get ready for the change. Okay, otherwise you won't get a big difference in life. For an example, I like to share a short story here. It is monkey story here. Monkey story. Monkey is jumping mind, no? Okay. You all know monkey? Yes, I know you all know monkey. So don't have monkey mind. No? This story is about in our school days, teachers used to tell a story about a monkey and a cap. Okay, monkey and a cap. So one cap selling cap wala vendor, he used to take a number of caps in a basket and in a cycle. Used to go street by street and sell the cap. Okay, he used to have one cap always. And in the lunchtime, what he do is he go and eat some food and he will have a nap, small sleep in the shade of a tree. While he was sleeping in the tree, shade of the tree, a lot of monkeys in the tree came down and took all the caps and the monkey was wearing and it went up to the tree and watching this. So suddenly he woke up, he saw the basket empty, shocked, and he said, "Oh my God!" Looking up, the God showed all the monkey was wearing the cap. You know what he did? He remembered one thing. His father used to tell him, this is a thing, it's a family business now. Sometimes it happens, then you remove your cap. You will be wearing one cap, no? You remove your cap, then the monkey all will remove the cap, and you throw the cap, the monkey also will throw the cap, everything will fall down, you can collect it. Same day he has done and was happy. So this is a trick to take back the cap, and I'm going to tell you the story Monkey 2, Part 2. The story Part 2. The Part 2 is same situation. The person, the cap vendor is going in a bike, Kinetic Honda with a beautiful basket of caps. And same thing, he went to lunch, he had a beautiful biryani and he saw a shade below the tree and he parked his bike and he was taking a nap. So that time all the monkeys came, same way, took all the caps and went and sat in the tree. Suddenly he woke up, he saw the empty basket and he said, "Oh my God!" Then he saw all the monkeys. He was happy. All the monkeys was wearing the cap. Suddenly he remembered that the grandpa story. His father told his father's story, no grandpa story, and he took his cap. He was wearing a cap, no? He took his cap and he threw the cap up. So you know what happened? Same way monkey also removed the cap and the monkey caught the cap. The monkey didn't throw the cap. Monkey caught that cap and told this vendor, "Hey, we have changed. You have not changed. You are using the same old techniques." So the monkey has changed. How about we? We have to change, no? Out of the change. Don't have monkey mind. Change. All the monkeys have changed. We have to change. If you want a great success, change. Out of the change. Always get ready to learn and change yourself. The second C is very important C in network marketing. Always I used to talk about that C. Basic C is contacts. The second C is contacts. You need contacts for the success in network marketing and any business. Without contacts, you cannot build your business. Especially in network marketing, you cannot give an advertisement to bring contacts. Big companies will call Amitabh Bachchan or Sachin Tendulkar and they do advertisement and they invite people, contacts. But here, it is word of mouth advertisement. You have to build contacts. Contact list book, add on contacts. Like the contact is very important for your success. Without contacts, you cannot be successful in this. I've seen so many leaders always they say, "I don't have contacts. My contacts, everything has been perished." You cannot be successful. You finish all your contacts In India, we have 130 crore population. 130 crore population. Have you connected everyone? No? Then start connecting. Yes. You have to connect each and every one every day, every day. Build your contacts. If you want to have a great success, see, showing plan alone is not a business. That is one part. The biggest part is building contacts. Every day, add on contacts. Huge potential is there if you have more contacts. If you want to have big success, massive success, it is very important that you need more contacts. Without contacts, you cannot be successful. So in this business, for a great success, you need more contacts. The second C is contact. Contact more people. Contact. Very important. You have to write down more contacts. Every day, connect. There are so many ways to connect. In social media, you can connect so many people. You can start inviting people in social media. That's a connection. Invite, and that is contact is very important in our business. Build your contact list. If you have more contacts, you have more success after the contacts. The third C is very important. C. Communication. Communication. Our business need more communication. After your contact, you have to invite. That is a communication. The communication should be crystal clear. Crystal clear communication. Whatever you communicate, it has to go deep into the heart, whoever in front of you. See, I am communicating with so many people. I hope everyone are understanding. I am communicating in a crystal clear way. You should give a pause in every words. Crystal clear communication. Whatever language you know, however you are communicating, you have to communicate in a right way. See, language is not a barrier. See, for an example, child. The newborn child will ask for milk. How? Mummy milk? No. Cry. And mummy knows? Like that, you have to communicate in a proper way and ensure that your counterpart is understanding what you are communicating. Always people have something in mind and something they may communicate. Words will come out. Always specific, crystal clear, at to the point. No OPDU, over promise and under deliver. Your communication should be crystal clear. Are you all with me? Hope you are all with me. So, very important for your success. Communication. We are in this communication age. So, if you want great success, communicate to each and every one in a proper way. Crystal clear communication. Total contact has to be communicated. Everyone you have to communicate and fix up an appointment. The fourth C is very important. Very important. Very important. That is commitment. Success. Commitment is very important. Without commitment, nothing is going to happen. Commitment should be your life. The word commitment. Whatever you commit, stick on to that. Whatever said and done, stick on to that. That is your credibility. Huh? Commitment is your credibility. So, very important commitment, the time commitment, the punctuality. Time commitment is very important. I know so many people, they are not at all committed. See, it's the biggest loss. If you are not maintaining the time commitment, you will lose many things. You will lose many things like time commitment. No, if you miss a minute, what will happen? Your flight will go, your train will go, your bus will go, your success will go. Your success will go. So, time Commitment means before, not on time. Before time is very important. The second commitment is sales commitment. We are into direct selling industry. We are doing a sales job. So what we have to do? Daily commitment, daily PCB, Platinum Club bonus, daily 30,000 rupees. You want that 30,000 rupees? Have a commitment. Have a commitment. Daily show more plans. Some more do. The group volume, 1500 SV, you will get 30,000 rupees. Only 1500 SV. You are not going to do. You are not going to do. Your team, the entire team, group volume, create a system. Every day morning, change, adopt the change. Early morning, wake up. Talk to your leaders, push them, break up the commitment, give them promos, motivation, push, every day, fully involved, no deviation, no diversion, fully involved, and ensure that you are doing your commitment daily. Daily commitment is very important. PCB, Platinum Club bonus, weekly commitment, yes, daily, weekly, monthly, by year, break up. That is very important. See, this business is all about group volume. Group volume, not your individual effort. Group volume. Create big group. Motivate them. Push them. Support them. Make them earn. Indirectly, you will earn. So, are you all with me? Very important is commitment. The next C, very important C, is courage. For everything, you need a courage. You should maintain a posture that courage itself, the word itself will go inside and you will walk like a king, lion. That is important. The courage. You are a winner. That attitude you should have. Winner's attitude. That is courage. Always be bold. Always be bold, okay? That courage that I am going to do it. That courage will transform energy to your team. Okay, you stand like a leader. See, if you are a leader, the courage will automatically come. That courage should go inside. I've seen courageous leaders, yes. Sapan, you can see Sapan, how courageous he is. Rhoda Kapani, all the leaders, all our diamonds are courageous. That the power, your captain, huh? So that courage is very important, very, very, very important. Always dynamism, always ready, be in the first, always be in the first, always that winning attitude you should have. So courage, very important. Take out your fear, then the courage will come. Don't fear for anything. There are so many people always crying baby, crying baby, crying baby. That and all is a wrong attitude. Huh? The courage won't come. The courage means whatever said and done, I will do it. That courage you should have. And the sixth C after the courage. If the courage is there, important, huh? Can do it. The sixth C is can do it. Yes, you can do it. All my leaders can do it. Magnus, our family members can do it. You can cash out, max out. You can earn 1.5 crores rupee every month. More than that you can earn. Can do it. That attitude, the positive attitude. I can and I can't. I can't is a negative attitude. Can is a positive attitude. That can attitude should have. Always I can. Do it or don't do it. In between nothing is that. Say I can. Can always. Yes. Tell your leaders I can. Tell everyone that I can. I am an achiever. You are born to win. That attitude you should have. Can. C-A-N. Can do it. That is very important. You all can do it. Huh? You all can do it. You all can become black diamond. Possible. Have that attitude. Can do it. Always say, morning, wake up and say, I can. I can. I can. You can. You are the best among the best. Always have that attitude. Best among the best attitude. You are uncomparable. You are awesome. Each and every one watching my videos, awesome leaders, the great leaders. You are all the winners. So always have that attitude. I can. Best attitude. And the seventh C is again very important C for your success. That is the choice. Choice. Wait here. Choice. Yes. You have a choice to choose your life. If you want to be successful, choose. Life is so beautiful. Huh? Life is so beautiful. You have a choice to sleep. So many leaders are sleeping now, not attending my training. Their choice to sleep comfortably. They are in comfort zone. If you want success, come out of that success zone. Come out of that comfort zone. Wake up early in the morning. If you want a great life, if you want a real financial freedom, choose that freedom. You come out from the comfort zone. Burn yourself. Burn yourself. Life is going to be beautiful. Initially, it is hard work. Always, network marketing graph itself is initially it is hard. First year, hard work. Second year, smart work. Third year, no work, just beautiful life, financial freedom. Everything will come. It's your choice. It's your choice. It's your choice to meet so many people daily. It's your choice to become black diamond. It's only your choice. Huh? Nobody is going to push you. Nobody is going to push you. Definitely no one will push you. It's your choice. But never ever wait for anything. Huh? I know so many people are waiting for the lockdown to clear. Never ever wait for anything. Nothing is going to happen. See, mango, no? There are so many people will be waiting for the mango to fall from the tree, just like that in the wind. Do you think it will happen? Yes, it will happen. You know what they will get? If they wait for mangoes to fall from the tree by air, they will get the hit from the stone. Yes, they will get a hit from the stone. Some energetic people will be hitting the mango, the stone will come and fall. Don't never ever wait for anything. You have choices to do so many things in this business. So many things. You have a choice to choose whatever you want. Whatever you want. Dream big. Your choice. Choices of your cars, choices of your beautiful bungalow, choices of your destination. So your choices to choose the best, because you have a powerful vehicle, network marketing, Magnesa, a powerful vehicle you have got. So choice is yours to drive this vehicle very powerful, carefully by learning, okay? So the eighth C, challenge. Eighth C is challenge. Yes, lot of hurdles will come. Success is not the smooth road. Lot of speed breakers, lot of hurdles, lot of demotivation, lot of disturbance. Everything will come. Everything will come. You have to challenge the challenge. You have to become a challenger. You have to challenge the challenge. Whatever challenge, the challenge has to run if they see you. You should be very powerful like that. Whatever said and done. See, any challenges, there is a solution. It will solve automatically. So you have to challenge whatever said and done, challenge whatever challenges. Financial crisis will come. Yes, same day I was in financial crunch in 2001. Now I am multimillionaire because I have challenged all the challenges. So like that, get prepared with courageously face the challenge. The challenge will see you and run off, but But if you started running, the challenge will chase you. Yes, that will chase you. Never ending story. I've seen so many leaders running, 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 running. What happened? It is like a shadow. Shadow will chase you, chase you, chase you. It will never go. But if you stand and face it, the challenge will run. See, small story I now remember. You all know cat, huh? Not monkey, cat. See, one dog is chasing the cat. Cat is running, 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 running. No other option. Finally, the cat was cornered in a corner room. The dog was running, cat was running, and finally the cat went and hit the wall. And with the fear, with the pain, the cat turned meow by looking the dog. Dog frightened and went off. Like that, never ever run seeing the challenge. You turn and challenge the challenge, then definitely you cannot fail. Life is all about challenging, okay? And fighting. You are a fighter. You can fight with your ego, challenge everything, fight with your laziness, challenge there, fight for your success, fight to become a black diamond, fight to become, fight to earn everyday max out, everyday income, fight. Challenging is attitude of a fighter. You are a fighter, you are a successful leader, you can do it, fight and win the games. If you want to win the game, winning the game is success. Winning the game is success. Only if you are a fighter, you can win the game. Life is a game. Fight and win the success. Your destination is success. If you want to reach there, fight, fight, fight. Challenge, challenge, and challenge the challenge. And the ninth C is copy. Ninth C is copy. Copy the successful leaders. Copycat marketing is the best marketing. Copycat. See, people have used a lot of creativity, lot of time, and done many things. You blindly copycat. Be a copycat. And use your own creativity to change that in a better way. Always copy the successful leaders. Copy the lifestyle of the successful legends. Copy how they talk. Copy how they walk. Copy how they do the effective presentation. Copy how they give an effective training. Copy the voice modulation. Copy everything for the betterment. Copycat marketing is the very simple and success formula. You won't waste time for that. Okay, now world is going very fast, very, very fast. Blindly copy some good things. Copy only good things, sir, not bad things. Copy good things. Copy, 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 and use your creativity. Little bit of alteration, little bit of color correction, little bit of adding something. Life, it will be very beautiful. So copycat marketing is the best marketing. You will get a lot of time. No need to waste your time. So if you want, you can read that book, Copycat Marketing. It's a beautiful book. You will gain many things. And finally, 10th C. You all will be breaking your head. No, the next C, what is that? What is that? What is that? There are a lot of C's, sir. There are a lot of C's for success. All the C stands for success. But this 10th C, this top 10 C, I have told you all the best C's for your success. It's a motivational C's. And the final 10th C is consistency. Consistency. Many people fail because they don't have consistency. In this business, if you want to be successful, you need consistency, consistency, consistency. That is very important. Always our legend, Srijit sir will say, consistency, consistency, consistency. We are adopting that. We have taken that. Magnusa has taken that consistency. Whatever we do, it has to be consistently do. Do it, do it, do it, do it, do it. That's all. Consistently. See, if you are pushing a bus, standing bus, it is very difficult. You have to give all your energy, everything, and you will push that. Then the acceleration will start. Slowly, 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 the momentum will start. Slowly, 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 slowly. After that, you no need to give your full energy and everything. Just like that, you push, it will automatically go. But if you stop, what will happen? Again, you have to give everything, 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 and again you have to push. Stopping, pushing, stopping, pushing, stopping, pushing. The consistency, never ever switch off. Always in on mode until you reach the destination, until you reach your success. Always in switch on mode. I want all my leaders, all the family members of Magnasa to be always in switch on mode and do every day consistently until you reach your destination. See, for some people it will delay. Success will delay. For some people to get your core four, find your four, it will take time. But if you have a positive attitude, definitely you are going to get your four. The four leaders, your four pillars will take you to your destination, will take you to reach your dreams. Find your four. If you want to find your four, the consistency until you get consistently do it. You all can do it without any deviation. Never ever have deviation. If you have that strong belief that you can be successful with Magnesa, definitely you are going to be successful without deviation, without any diversion of focus. You have to do the business consistent, no matter whatever said and done. Challenge everything. So, wish you all the best. 10 C's for your success in Magnesa. First is change. The second C is contact. Contact. The third C is communication. Crystal clear communication. The fourth C is commitment. The real commitment. The fifth is courage. Fifth C is the real courage. The sixth is can do it attitude. Seventh is choice. You have a choice to win. The eighth is challenge. Challenge the challenge. Ninth is copycat marketing. The 10th is consistency. You have to be always consistent. Do it, do it, do it. Thank you so much. Wish you all the best. See you all next Saturday morning, 7 a.m. White tea with Captain with a new subject. Wish you all the best. Keep the fire burning in your heart. Live rich and die rich. Yours loving Captain.